Okay, this baby has fallen asleep in his car seat and he is snoring like a little pug. But he's a cute little pug.